Hi, today I will be installing the GT500 spoiler on the Mustang GT. Alright, so to get started, you'll have to take the rubber stoppers on the bottom of the trunk lid to expose the first two screws, followed up by unscrewing the rubber screws, helping hold the carpet. You'll also have to take off the plastic tabs with a trim remover or a flathead. After you've taken off everything holding up the carpet, you'll have to unclip the emergency release latch, then pull out the carpet, releasing the last two screws. Make sure to unscrew all four screws that are holding the spoiler in place. They are inside of the little holes that we exposed. Now you can start using a heat gun to begin to soften the old double-sided tape to remove the spoiler. After a bit of time, you can start separating one side off the spoiler and propping it open with something. Here I'm using a set of trim removers. Now, I slowly use the set of trim removers and open up the gap by moving them bit by bit as I warm up the spoiler. Once it's separated enough, you can start to wiggle off the spoiler, and it should expose the holes and the old glue. The next step is to clean up the old glue, which can be done either by glue gun or what I used was 3M adhesive remover. This part is me putting on 3M on the spoiler to have it stay on the trunk and create a water seal. You might not have to do it, as some pre-painted spoilers come with a tape already attached. After all that, you just have to remove the red film off the tape and take off the thread protectors, and you can just put the spoiler directly on the OEM mounting holes and just press a little bit on the spoiler so it'll create a nice seal. Next, you just have to use a 10mm socket to tighten the nuts that come with the spoiler on the bottom so it'll stay tightly as you drive. Finally, all you have to do is to install back the rubber stoppers and the carpet, and that's it. That's how the GT500 looks when everything's done. Yeah.